Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and selamat datang di Study with Nova. Tereng. So, today we will how to solve this question. Start with your program from exercise before. Exhibits write a while loop that allow users to enter an albums and artists and title. Once you have that information, call make album with the user's input and print the dictionaries that create. Be sure to include a quote value in the while loop. Okay, how to solve this? The first one is just they've make album like this, but the track I wanna delete the track. There's only two. There are artist name and then album name. Okay, and then how using while. I forgot this is while in the def or in the output in the others def. Wait a minute. So this easy, just only to return, and then you just using while, and then while true, because and then word that allows to make an album and artist untitled. Make a artist name like integer input like before. Not integer, I mean like input. What is your artist with name with ini. Okay, what is name, and then artist name dot dot lower, because I want to lower if like this, and then quit, and then you can if artist name is quit, then break. No break. Yep. Okay. What is your artist name? And then if artist name lower quit, I mean like to exit. Okay, and then is it like before, and then what is album name, and like input what is your album name, what is your artist album name? Sorry guys. Okay, and then don't forget type quit to exit, because always true. And if the album name is lower, and then you just quit, and then click. Okay, done. Okay, info. Okay, and then I forget, is it true like this? Make album, and then is it true? Wait a minute, I forget something. Let's try. Right. What is your artist name? Maybe Sheila on 7. What is your artist name? Maybe like this. What is function make album blah 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 blah? Oh, wait a minute. Somehow I forget because wait. No. The info. Quit. What if I quit? Okay, then wait a minute. I forget something. I think I would like to just add artist and then album. Artist and then album. Is it true? Okay. No. Because this is not parameter but just argument. I understand. Wait a minute. The title. Okay. And because your argument is this, the artist name this, because this is your argument, your input is your argument, right? And then the album name. So let's try again. Okay, Sheila on 7, album blah blah blah, error. That's not art. Oh, wait a minute. Wait, I wanna delete this. It's okay if I don't want to make Sheila on 7. Let's try. Okay. Oh, okay, good. Okay, Taylor Swift, and then 1989. Okay, good. Type quit the exit like this. It will be quit. Okay. Info dot title. I forget. Is it? How to make that return info in the capital? I understand. Wait a minute. The title. Okay. And because your argument is this, the artist name this, because this is your argument, your input is your argument, right? And then the album name. So let's try again. Okay, Sheila on 7, album blah blah blah, error. That's not art. Oh, wait a minute. Wait, I wanna delete this. It's okay if I don't want to make Sheila on 7. Let's try. Okay. Oh, okay, good. Okay, Taylor Swift, and then 1989. Okay, good. Type quit the exit like this. It will be quit. Okay. Info dot title. I forget. Is it? How to make that return info in the capital? Okay, because this is the because this is the dictionary, I can add the title in this. So you can make some like this. don't know, is it good? Wait a minute, let's try album, meaning the album, the title. Because this dictionary, if I don't use dictionary or like make a sentence, it is okay for me to output the capitalize. But let's try again. What is the norm of artist? Maybe you're safe, not capitalized. And what is your album? 1984. Okay, album name in accent. Okay, good. Because the output the dictionary, artist name, and then this is the artist name, and then this is the album name. Okay, you can add maybe print. This is your data because okay, and then wait a minute, quit but for example Ariana Grande, maybe like this. This is your data, artist name Ariana Grande, and then album name 2180. Okay, tap quit to exit, but I wanna add space here. Okay, and then I wanna edit. This is in the capitalize, and then if I wanna thank you, and then this is I wanna print by quit. Okay, let's try again. Example what do you mean, Raja, maybe, and then artist name Raja, album name. Okay, what is your artist name? Misalnya Perahu, maybe, and then artist name Perahu. Okay, good. And then type quit to exit. But if I add to quit, or yes, everything's in quit, or like this quit, and then you will thank you because of you quit from this. But if you quit from the album name like this, what is your artist name? Maybe Sheila on 7 again, and then Petualangan, maybe Petualangan, and then what is your I'm sorry, I forgot. Maybe I don't know, but the songs Sheila on 7, and then you quit here, quit bye, that will be bye. Okay, then I think it's very okay to understand the whole concept because it's much more complicated than before we used. So the first one is like make album, and then this is function. This is parameter, the two parameter, there are artist and the album. The output artist in why I make this, because I want to make sure that artist and the album in the capitalize in the title like this. If our input is not in the capitalized, and then the automatically will be capitalized, and then we just print and the information about this is dictionary, and then back to return to info because this is the info. So well, true, the artist name you can input your name, what's your artist name, but if we input quit, the code will be exit. The code will exit, and the first is we just print the thank you before quit, before exit. This is the artist name, and then album name is same, but make sure your indentation is in the while true print back album, because if your indentation is like this, so if like this, so the the quit is will be printed in your artist like this. I wanna show you why it is different, because somehow I'm doing this, and the print is not in the while loop, but in the output, in the outside of the while true. Okay, so I quit maybe like this, and then like this, and then maybe low just quit, so the output will be quit. Yes, that's why you must make sure that make sure you must there is indentation in, and then in the while loop. So this is a little bit better complicated than before, but yeah, it's fun, very fun. Okay, what's the keyword is using a function will a while loop. Okay, should what do you mean with a while loops? Okay, okay, done. Let's try another questions. Bye.